Hello, and welcome to our July 2020 edition of the Texas Association of Museums Museline, our digital newsletter covering all things TAM. In light of the Black Lives Matter movement, there's an increasing debate on the future of Civil War monuments and statues. AASLH recently held a conversation with representatives from the University of Dayton, Creative Strategies 360 Degrees, and Georgia Historical Society titled Monuments and Memory. This talk spans several topics, including how history practitioners and organizations can best contribute. The talk was recorded and you can find it on AASLH's free resources page. In Texas, TAM also had a conversation around this topic with Texas Historical Commission Executive Director Mark Wolf. That talk reintroduced Wolf's 2017 document policy and process recommendations for evaluating requests for removal and relocation of monuments or markers that we recently posted to our new website. It serves as a quick as a guide to making decisions around these contentious public works, and will be a focus of our Q3 TAM Council meeting. Let's kick off this month again with a look at our new website. It was clear through our latest member survey that you wanted a better user experience, and boy, have we delivered. Using the Novi AMS platform, we've broken down our data silos and with a fresh new interface. The brand new look and updated technology will better serve all of our members, prospects, and greater museum community. We've already had several positive responses to the design and use. In order to get to the most out of your member experience, you'll need to create a new login. I know, another login, but with that login, you'll be able to register for events, update your profile information, headshots and bios, track event attendance, search our member directory, view and pay invoices, and create a job posting as long as it contains salary information. Now on to TAM 2021. I'm happy to share that the San Antonio Local Host Committee has been hard at work selecting a theme for TAM 2021, Roots and Reckoning, Museums Respond and Redefine. In light of this new development, we have extended our call for proposals for TAM 2021 through 5 p.m. on Friday, August 7th. Again, that's Friday, August 7th is when the deadline will be. So if you can respond to that theme, that'd be great. Our premier 3-day conference is going to be held on April 10th through the 13th at the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center in Hilton, Palacio del Rio. This month we also continue thanking our TAM 2020 virtual Diamond and Platinum sponsors. Thank you, Gaylord Archival, George Bush Presidential Library and Museum, Mayborn Museum, and Cube Media Productions for your continued support of TAM. You'll be able to find more about them on our website. In programming news, we kicked off a series of workshops this week called Going Local, Creating History Exhibits Your Visitors Won't Forget, presented by the Smithsonian Museum on Main Street program, the Department of Transportation, and the Texas Historical Commission. This 5-part online workshop series will teach you the fundamental skills and concepts you need to understand how to incorporate local Texas history stories into your exhibits, especially those that travel. The workshop series kicked off on July 23rd and continues on July 30th with Make Them Care Part 2, how to create more memorable and compelling exhibits through interpretation. August 6th features Give Them Something to Think About, strategies for engaging and provoking exhibit audiences, and August 13th features, well, that was awkward, interpreting difficult stories in your exhibits. And finally closes out on August 20th with Made You Look, how to select visuals that will keep your visitors engaged with your exhibits. For full descriptions of these workshops, visit our website. Non-member news. Are you a member that wants to be more involved with TAM? Please consider joining a TAM affinity group today. We are diligently working to create a rich experience for our members and to grow our programs through affinity group enrichment. Learn about all of our affinity groups on our website. Affinity groups are special interest groups for museum professionals within specific fields such as art and curation, education, collections management, historic preservation, and DEAI efforts. You will intersect and gain information from these key job-related groups. You'll work in advance with the mutual interests of these professional societies. Please email Emmy at admin@texasmuseums.org to learn more and attend an upcoming affinity group meeting. Finally, members are key to our community. Please help me welcome TAM's newest members, Claire Hulfish from Irving Arts Center, Jessica Holt with Art Museum of South Texas, Alicia Richardson with the Texas Historical Commission, Amelia Bragg from Denton, Erica Herndon from Austin, and finally, I want to thank Mikey Sproat for his recent donation. TAM's mission is to strengthen the Texas museum community through collaborations, connections, professional development, and advocacy. To learn more about TAM membership and become more involved, go to our website, www.texasmuseums.org, or reach out to me directly at alex@museums.org. That's all for this month. Be safe out there. Goodbye.